Hey guys, it's Anna, owner of the Distracted Dog. Heel. I'm here with Joey to demonstrate some of the skills he learned ever since he started training with us. Now, Joey joined our Puppy Success program. So when he was about 12 weeks old, he came to stay with us for our 3-week board and train. Good. I'm gonna wait for these cars to pass by. Heel. And through that stay, he learned a lot of these skills he's demonstrating now. He learned basically what his job's going to be in the future with his owners. Now, after the 3-week stay, he did go back to his owner's house for about a month where we continued lessons just to teach his owners how to be fluent with our communication system and everything we trained Joey. And after that month, he came back to stay with us, which is where he's at right now. He's coming up on the end of his 2-week stay. And this is where we really generalize things and show him how to use these skills out and about and how they're going to be practically used in his life with his owners. So here he's seeing how to do this heel position around high distractions whenever we go shopping, and just seeing what his job and what's expected of him when he does join his owners for little adventures out and about. Joey's what we like to call a companion or adventure dog, where they wanted to be able to take him a lot of places with them. So that's something we've really worked on showing Joey here. Heel. Good. During these last 2 weeks, we've really worked on cleaning up his focus and just showing him that even with all these high stimulating things, he doesn't need to focus on them. Sit. No, sit. Good. Down. Good. But definitely stay tuned, guys. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned to see a lot of the clips of what a lot of his stay with us has looked like over these past couple weeks. Joey, come. Good boy. Something Joey has learned during his stay with us is what his job is when the doorbell rings. And that's what we were demonstrating here. Joey has a other sibling that his owners wanted to be proactive and teach Joey a different skill when the doorbell rings, because his the other dog in the home, when the doorbell rings, it likes to bark, and that's pretty common in a lot of households. So with Joey, they wanted to be proactive and teach him a different skill. So when the doorbell rings, Joey's job is to go up to the place board and remain calm. That way guests don't get jumped on when they want to come into the home. And then that way Joey can get his greeting based on his calm behavior up here. So here I'm going to wait till he settles in, and then that behavior is what's going to draw me in to pet him. Good. Good job, buddy. Good job. And this can be really nice for at home, just keeping things calm when the doorbell rings in a home full of dogs. Good job, buddy.
Joey, good boy.